Ay.
Our pursuit of knowledge and understanding is not only a question, but also a commitment for an effective collaboration with others. So this report not only aims to educate and inform, but also inspire, guiding us into a more just and brighter future. So, good morning everyone. I am Noah May Tomorrow, and I am your first
Kenneth.
for today. So as you can see, our report is all about the dimensions of learning. But before we delve into
Hindi ko man siya ikat lang na
let
yung
us first
deadline.
recall what is learner-centered learning. I want you to brainstorm ideas of what is learner-centered learning. Na-discuss already before. So, what is learner-centered learning? Anyone? Students are given Sige, Princess.
Students are given the chance na magkuan bitaw ng paghatag sila ng information sa class nila ang teachers.
Okay. So learner-centered learning focuses on the learning of the students. So it has to do something to meet the needs of the students. For example, if your student is a visual learner, so the teacher is expected to present or to provide presentations along the lines of visual presentations and PowerPoint presentations to help his or her students to better understand that discussion. So that is learner-centered learning. Now let us proceed to its dimensions. Ang una is social-cultural perspective of learning. Please read.
Modern social learning theories stem from the work of Russian psychologist who produced these ideas between 1924 and 1934 as a reaction to existing conflicting approach in psychology. Recognized for identifying the role of social interactions and cultural play in the development of higher order thinking skills, and it especially evaluate for the insights. It also provides about the dynamic interdependence between individuals, the social progress and the constructions of knowledge.
Okay, so let's say from the word social-cultural, what first comes into your mind?
Society and culture.
Society and culture. Okay, so nagkuhan siya diri of social interaction and culture. So for culture, for social context, this refers to the society or the people you are interacting with, be it your peers or family members or even your teacher. So through interacting with these people, or through your interaction with other people, you gain experiences, and with that experiences there is learning. Diba? Yes. So, we need to say learning is social. Agree or disagree? Agree.
Yes.
What? Anong agree? Explain. Okay. Okay, ito naman ang learning natin. Because okay, na lang. So let us proceed sa cultural. For cultural context could be influenced by cultural norms, values, and practices that you have in your community. So, give me an example of cultural context that influence the perspective of learning. So, sa education, or what? Wala. So for example, storytelling. In many indigenous cultures, storytelling is considered as somewhat effective or an effective way to pass down knowledge from generation to generation. So, ang storytelling, murag nahimo nilang practice ba to pass down knowledge. Okay, so since this is ganang mga activity.
Yes.
Okay. Since this is a learner-centered learning, dapat as a reporter, iguro ko may mag-Chinese. Iguro ko mag-facilitate. But, kamo as a student, kanang karon mag-collaborate mo sa or mag-participate mo into collaborative activity. So, ang atong pattern karon mag-blueprints na later na ako yung sa activity. So, siguro gamay naman mo. So, siguro 3 lang. Sige, golf, ay, wala. Ay, sige, 2 na lang. Ay, 1 relate na mga 1 important again. Sige, 1, 2, 1. So, tanan ka 1 kay diri and ang 2 dira. Activity, what you are going to do is that gama mo ang slogan. Ma-relate siya sa social cultural perspective of learning. For example, example of slogan, culture shapes learning, learning shapes culture, mga inana. And then after that, kanang kinahanglan pa na yung kanang human. Then after that, kanang inyong i-explain kung unsa ang inyong slogan. Basta, yun na. So, siguro mga kuan lang. Mga 1 minute choice. Pero sige, dili na lang yung time.
Wala pa man pagkagilay-lay.
Slogan ha, dapat ka nang ma-entertain or ka nang dapat ma-persuade ni about ka siya or na-relate na siya sa social cultural perspective of learning. Explain mo sa inyo. Various dapat lahat sa lang ma-explain ha. Topic. Sige, para fair. No, mom, this is our slogan. Our slogan is culture is diverse, so is learning. So hindi naman, baka siya ang nakaka-slogan. Ay, di ba? When you say diverse, it involves mga different fields, so on. And makulit na to siya sa atong learning. Kaya ang learning na po siya various disciplines. And that various disciplines, kay interconnected daw siya in order for us relate na po ang isang discipline into another discipline para makakam up taon new ideas or information. And si Mike na tayo ito. About sa social cultural, social
paano mo sa akin, di ba culture is diverse? Through exploring diverse culture, makakwanta ka, maka-learn ka na again diverse culture. So, social cultural. So, social, interacting with different people, with different culture. So, by that, maka-learn.
I agree. So, okay na. Tayo diba?
Our slogan is
Learning together, grow together, embracing social cultural diversity.
so our slogan pertains that learning is a collaborative process that involves different perspectives from different people and highlights that learning is a social activity that embraces cultural diversity and yeah.
I second the motion. Okay na?
Sige.